So today I want to show how to download the Sentinel-2 image from Copernicus space data space ecosystem. So in the Google you will search Copernicus data space ecosystem. So here it will take you to certain sites, and then you will click on the first site that appears in the Google search. So here are several options to visualize or extract the data, and then you can also look at some of the analysis and the service that is being provided by this Copernicus ecosystem, data space ecosystem. Okay, and then there are other options as well if you go down, and then you can explore more on this one. So in order to download the Sentinel-2 data, you will click on explore data. And then here, in order to download the data, you have to create an account or register with this particular site. So I have already created an account, therefore I can directly log in. So if you have not registered, then you have to register out here. Example, register and create an account for free in just 60 seconds. And then if you create an account out here, you will be able to access a variety of Earth observation data, manage your personal setting, and follow your credits and orders. So I have already created an account, therefore I will just log into it. Then here you have several options to download the data. So you will click on search, and then here you will, in order to search, example, you can search the area of your interest from here. So I am typing Bhutan. So here I have Bhutan. So it will directly take me to the area of my interest. So in order to download the data of my interest, I have several options. So I can create an area of interest using three different options. For example, I can upload the shapefile of my area of interest. I can draw a rectangular area of my interest, and then I can also draw polygon area of interest for image download and time lapse. So I will select this option and then click here. Okay, I want to download for Bhutan. Yes, done. So then you will select Sentinel-2, and then you will make the cloud cover maybe below 0, not 0, below 5. Okay, yes, 5 or 4, whatsoever you want to. And then you will select L2A, because these are the data sets that are being atmospherically corrected, or they have done atmospheric correction out here. And then you will scroll down, and then you have the date range option. For example, if you want to do temporal analysis, then you can select, for example, from date, example 2014, and then until 2024. Example, if you want to see the difference in land use land cover over 10 years period. If it is for, let's say, 4 years, then 14, then you will select another year as 18, and then 22, 26, like that. And if it is 5 year, then 2019, 2024, like that. Okay, as per your requirement. So here, in order to select or set the date, you will click here, and then it will pop up out here. For example, if you want, for example, I want to download the data for, let's say, January 2025, date 1, from to again January 25, date 31st. Okay, and then I can create or download the data on hourly basis as well. I can see it out here, and then I will click search. Wait for a while. Oh, so you have several tiles out here, given out here, and then you can select according to your need. For example, I want to download the tile, a single tile. For example, if I want to do analysis for whole Bhutan, then I would have to download several of these tiles, okay? And then I just want to focus on maybe Thimphu district, okay? I will click on this one, okay? Just give a left click and then it will give you the data. And then here in this in order to know the information or about this particular product, then you will click on this icon, okay? That will give you the product information. You click there and then you have certain information out here. Example, platform short name is Sentinel 2. Size you have 1109 MB, okay? And then see, cloud cover is 0.008. It is below 5, right? You have set it as 5 and then it is below 5. See, it's very less compared to maybe the criteria that you have assigned. And then you can check others as well. Okay, here it is 0.08 cloud cover. Okay, another one is, let's say, cloud cover, it is 0.003. Okay, quite less. So I can download any of these two data, whichever I want. So this is for date January 18. This is time, okay, this is January 8 and then this one is January 3. So maybe I will download this January 3 of Thimphu district and then it will start downloading, or else you can click here to know the information. Okay, you can visualize. Okay, if you check here, then if you click here, then to zoom it to you, zoom that particular tile, and then in order to know its information again, you will left click and then there are 3 tiles in this particular tile, 3 options in this particular tile, and then you can download as per the requirement of your study area. So it will get downloaded the file that I have selected already. This is how you download the data, or Sentinel-2 data from Copernicus Hub. Thank you.